Oh, kinsa ning ni watch? May mag-watch na mo. Nan ako sa YouTube. Ato ta. YouTube na lang. Kinsa may wa pa ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Type your name in the comments. Okay, for your attendance for today's class. YouTube. Huh? Just go to YouTube and then get my ano. Okay, magklase ta. Anyway, nakaklase na naman po si Ara. Si Ara, si Ken, si Louie. Okay, 3. So, hoy, tarungan na ninyo. Kaya di ko kaila. Ken Rafael. Ken Rafael, guwapo. Guwapo kayo. Naya sa internet. Duha ra to. Para ma-check na nako na. Para makahatag og feedback by next week. Ha? Katura sa. Shout out to Louie. Ganina rin si Louie. Louie, shout out to you, Louie. Shout out Lods. What's Lods? I don't know na. Idol or Lodi? Oh. Pila pa man mo ani? 5 pa. So 5 pa lang ang attendance. So mag-share screen ko ha. I'll wait for the others. Kaya po to sila. Yan na nanak sa kanya na. Asan naman sila? Kuya ko magkagporma na Mateo. Hmm? Kaya man sila, guys. Start na ta. Ano na si Niana. So, I'll share screen na lang. Asa man mo da komportable? Zoom. O sige, pwede na. Ayun na lang na ninyo i-off ang kuan. Kaya in case na maputol ko sa, sa kuan na, Zoom, kay 40 minutes na, mo continue ta sa YouTube. Okay? Plus atong gibuhat kanina sa 7:30. So, i-silent lang siguro sa inyong YouTube, i-silent lang. And then, sa Zoom na lang ko mag-share screen. Okay? Kaya in case maputol, diretsyon na ko sa kuan stream. Now, so we will start na lang siguro though we have ano pa gamay pa kaayo. Si Caryo naman si Caryo ganina. So again, katong ah, sige go. So we will talk about share screen. Sige. This is different slides, no? PowerPoint presentation ni siya, pero lahi na po. Ganina lahi mo itong show. So, good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, everyone. So today we will, yeah, today we will learn, or I will introduce to you the Java programming. So, so what is computer programming? Do you have any idea what is a computer programming? What is a computer programming? Anybody from the class? Boy, tingog. Sige, let me do it. So a computer programming class, this is the process of designing, writing, debugging, and maintaining the source code of computer programs. So this source code is written in one or more programming languages. So the main purpose of programming is to create a set of instructions that computers use to perform specific operation or to exhibit desired behaviors like an application or a program to do sales. Okay, so that's one purpose. So the process of writing the source code often requires expertise in many different subjects, including knowledge of the application domain and specialized algorithms and formal logic. So what is programming language? So you might confused unsa man ning kuan programming language iyang pasabot. So programming language refers to the artificial language designed to communicate instructions to a machine, particularly to a computer, and it can be used to create programs that control the behavior of a machine and to express algorithm precisely. So this programming language has different kind of sets or different languages. No, it doesn't mean that it's a programming language. There is a Filipino and Bisaya and English. No, okay. So it talks about the features or sample of programming. Unsa nga ka-klase nga language imong gamiton. Okay? So these are the examples of programming languages. Delphi, we have the C, you have the C++, the Java, and the Visual Basic, and etc. So Delphi, if highest siya, level na siya. Sa C, when I was in college, we were taught on how to make program using C and C++. And the Visual Basic was in college also, but and including the Java. So I've learned these um, programming programming languages during my college years. But you're fortunate enough that you are um, in your level, you in your kuan na, sama na, you're into programming na. So fortunate kayo mo. So what is object-oriented programming language? So object-oriented programming language, it is an extension of programming languages that refer to concrete objects in the real world and here. So we can make use of that. Program, it involves both creating objects and creating applications that use those objects. So if you've read your book class, so it was stated there the class, oh, ano sa naman eh. Can you hear me? Can you hear my instruction a while ago? Wala. Hala. Oh my God. Saan man niya? Kailan nagka-time? Bilin. Pick mo and okay. So I was thinking you and nakadungog ra mo. So how about this time? Can you hear me? Hello? Okay. Should I go back to the first slide? Sige, go. Saan na nito kuan? Pinasad. Please, ano ha? Kanang comment or sa tawag na, tell me or inform me nga nakadungog ba or wala. Okay. Saan naman eh? Something is wrong with my presentation. Tayo pa ha. Okay. Zoom. Naka-share screen ko, class. Kane, naka-share screen ko? Okay, sige go. Balik ko ha. So, what is computer programming? I'll just do it quickly na lang kay na balik ko na ko ni. So, computer programming, this is the process of designing, writing, testing, debugging, and maintaining the source code of the computer program. So this source code is written in one or more programming languages. So this is what we're going to do for the 2 quarters. So making and debugging codes. Next. So what is the purpose of computer programming? So the main purpose of computer programming is to create a set of instructions that computers use to perform specific operations or to exhibit desired behaviors. The process of writing source code often requires expertise in many different subjects, including the knowledge of the application domain, specialized algorithm, and formal logic. So when you say create a set of instructions that computer use to perform a specific operation, it refers to a different establishment, like for in school. So like in school class, so there is what we call enrollment system. So that is made by programming, and other operations like booking hotel reservations, booking a ticket. So those are Java programming, programming thingy, right? So it was made by different programs. So what is programming language? So programming language, class, it refers to the artificial language designed to communicate instructions to a machine, particularly a computer. So can be used to create programs that control the behavior of a machine and or to express algorithm precisely. I really kanang dili na ko siya makalimutan, and I will never forget the time that when I asked someone no na pahimog program sa ako aba ay na siya kay ka mo himo program unsa nga language akong gi-ask, and then somebody asked me English. Of course not, kay sayop na siya nga answer, no. It doesn't mean nga when you are asked now what language, English, Filipino, Bisaya, no. So there are set or different languages in programming. One of that is the Java that we're going to make for this quarter, okay? So these are the examples of Java programming. So Delphi or Delphi, C, C++, Java, Visual Basic, Perl, and etc. So these languages, I've learned this when I was in college, no? So we were taught on how to make different programs using C++ and Java and Visual Basic. Okay? So what is object-oriented programming language? So when you say object-oriented programming language, this is the extension of procedural programming. When you say procedural, it is step-by-step program. So it involves creating program components as objects that are similar to concrete objects in the real world that are manipulated to achieve a desired result. Like for example, you will make use of the word car. So that word car can be also part of Java programming. You can make use of that word. So any word around the world, under the sun, pwede nimo siya magamit in Java programming. So when writing an object-oriented programs, it involves both creating objects and creating application that use those objects, so as I mentioned earlier. So object-oriented programming language, with this approach class, okay, data and the program or the procedure can be packaged into a single unit called object, okay? So later I will expound this part. Object is an item that can contain both data, which are known as attributes or variables, and procedures, which contain, I will give you the link of this. Activities that read or manipulate the data. So an object class, just like for example, human or a person, that is an object. The class are the details of the person. What are the details that can you give to a person? Okay, it's in your book. So it has a name, a birthday, a complexion, okay, a characteristic. So those are the attributes or variables that can be described or given to the object. Okay, so next, yes, yeah. Oh my God. Oh, kapuya, niyoy. Wait ha, wait down. Saan naman nga naka-share screen man ko? Sige, sige, sige. Sige na lang, ato na lang ni tiwason lang. Later, ako na lang ni transfer sa CLE para na mo'y copy, okay? Sige, go. Okay, principles of, ay, lisod na ni. Anyway, di na ako na-continue kay di ako mo kita. So, let's just do the quick check on the lesson 1. Have you read the lesson 1, guys? About the history of Java programming. As in? Oh, so how did you answer the lesson 1? Ah, okay. So, so let's talk about the Kuan class, the history of Java programming. Who initiate the Java programming? The programmer. I'm referring to the programmer who led the green team. It was, who was that? James? Dili, LeBron James in town. Okay, James Gosling. All right. So it was James Gosling class nga nakakuan, naka sa taga na nakahimo sa Java programming. So it was himself with the other engineers from Microsystem, Sun Microsystem. So it was during the sa man nga year. What year? 19 Okay, 1995. So the main purpose of that good was to create um i-incorporate nila ang ilang kanang ship sa mga home entertainment, pero that was too advanced that time. And then during that year, 1995, internet was booming. Okay? So mo to nga murag na down, unfortunately wala ni boom ang himo nila nga home entertainment, but naato sila i-program nga gipangbutang sa home entertainment. Okay? So mo to siya na nahimo siya around 1995 with the principle of write once, run anywhere. Okay? That is the principle of Java programming. Please take note of that. Write once, run anywhere. Okay? So we have 3 minutes remaining. So if it will stop, then I'll proceed sa panha sa tawagan eh, sa YouTube. So this is the presentation I presented to the other group. I-share screen ko na lang din. Pero na lang sa kuha na lang ni. So may chat ni. File siya dito ay nakita. Empaklas ha. So, share screen na lang sa YouTube. Dito ko present kay aron kana inihulata lang nga mo leave siya kay 3 minutes naman. Ma-out siya. Ma-out na siya. Oh, ato sa YouTube naka-live raman gyapon ta. Okay, naka-share screen lang ko. Tanawa na to. Tanawa daw, naka-share screen ba mo? Sa YouTube. Sure ka? Wala? Naamang good oh. Naka-share screen mang good. Oh. Wala gyapon. Yes. Naaday? Dako. Oh, can you see? So, muni siya class, ang benefits of Java. So, Java is used in networking. So, since Java was incorporated with internet, so Java classes can be loaded in most browsers to facilitate secure transactions over the internet. Second, Java is dynamic. It's in your book class. So this is a shortcut na lang. Kuha na lang siya, summary ni siya. Okay? So, picture, ako na lang po ni i-upload sa sa inyong CLE. Okay? So Java is dynamic. When you say dynamic, there is an interaction between the user and the computer. So Java makes it possible to reuse previously written program to lessen the workload of the programmer. So Java is reliable. See, na-end na. Naundang na class ang kung Zoom. So Java is reliable. So Java is reliable because it excludes some components that are error prone. So it provides a way of programmer to anticipate and handle errors in the program. So makasalig taning Java. So Java is simple. The Java programming language was designed to make OOP, or the object-oriented programming, easier. So once you understand how the components in the program are treated as objects, you will find it very simple. Aside from that, Java is secure. So Java ensures that the program, okay, Babe, I'll check if you're still there. Oh, can you write something in the comment if you're still there? Kisam ning boss bot. Can you see? Sure. Oh, kadungog pa muna ko. Ha? Kadungog pa ba muna ko? Okay, good. So I'll just continue. So I'll just give you a copy of this, ha. So ako na lang nitiwaso discuss. So Java is secure. Java is portable. Well, as I have mentioned earlier, that the Java has the principle of write once, run anywhere. So pwede mo siya madala-dala anywhere as long as you have the Java virtual machine installed in your computer. Next, Java is free. So we don't have to pay for this. This is totally free. So you will just have to go to java.sun.com. Okay? We will install the Intellij later for our next discussion. So this is the the architectural design that can be found in page book plus page 4 in your book, sorry. Page 4 in your computer book. So you can see the architectural design on how codes written once and can be executed almost anywhere. So from Java compiler, you write your codes, and then the moment you saved it, it will go to JVM, the Java virtual machine. And then once you have the Java virtual machine, it will run in any operating system you have. Like for example, your computer is Mac, then it will run in Mac. If your computer is in Windows, it still run for Windows, or Linux or Unix. So this is the architectural design of Java programming. So just bear with me, class, because I'm sure this is quite hard, good, the fact that we are very doing it online, so I can't assist you physically. So if you have problems lang with downloading the Intellij or the BlueJ, so I can help you through chat na lang siguro, okay? So BlueJ, or I think it's in the book kay kuan na ang gigamit kay Intellij idea. So it has the same concept with BlueJ. Okay, so this is the integrated development environment, so IDE, that is freely available on the internet. So wait, nakadungog pa ba mo? Please, sorry man. I'll give you the link be para makakuyog mo na ho dire. Yes, Yana. Can you hear me, Yana? Am I too fast or what? Yana? Sure, same lang among project last year batch of na ay sure same. Okay. Sure same ra ang among project sa last year's batch or na ay changes. na ay changes kay last year wala kay na kuan facilitate kay daghan og mga mulay klase. So this one, this time lahi ako ihatag ninyo. Okay, pero manageable na siya. Right. So for this Blue Jay class, I will just send on how to send the steps para maka-download mo sa inyong computer og Intellij. So this is the app or the application that we will use for the entire 2 quarters. Okay? Now, uh, do you have any questions? Okay, those who want to be part here, I'll give you the link, the access para makasturya mo. Para makitaan mo sa camera. So that is your link. Okay? So click on that. So I need 6 students para makitaan diri sa akong screen. Alright? So join me here. So I will include you in my live stream. Okay? So questions will be entertained later. If you like, can be part in this. Charger? Charger. An iPhone. iPhone siya. Di man ta pareha. Sige na. Kisa may mo join. Ara, I would like to ask Niana, what can you say about the history of Java programming? Niana, click the link, Niana. I'm sending you the link na ha sa comment. So click on that. So I would like to hear your answer. Sige na po. Louie Guapo. Nyana. Message me Nyana. Kisa pa. Hoy, paningog itaon mo. Louie, can you join me here, Louie? Ken? Kay, if not, if wala na question, ako is kuan ang inyong activity. Na ako yung activity dugang. Question, dali na dayon. Click na dayon ng kuan para dili ibutang sa to sunod na tuwan siran. Sa man ni Louie? At Sir Matt pa nga. Ano man ka Ken? Dali na mo. Ara. Kins. Ay namura, pang paningog in taon mo, mura ko buang ani. Mr. Surya. Oh, Ara, can you please click the link so that they can see you and hear your answer? Oh, si Ken at the stream. The question is, what can you tell about the Java? Ken, panaan ay mo, Ken. You mute your mic, Ken, kay bana kayo naman. So I want to hear your thoughts on how to
Shout out kay Loy.
Hoy, dali na mo, guys. Tingog na mo. Ikaw, Ken. Ano sa'yo istorya ni mo, Ken? Sa Java
Shout
programming.
out kay Loy. Java.
Hoy, dali na mo, guys. Tingog na mo. Ikaw, Ken. Ano sa'yo istorya ni mo, Ken? Sa Java programming.
Shout out kay Loy. Java.
Hoy, dali na mo, guys. Tingog na mo. Ikaw, Ken. Ano sa'yo istorya ni mo, Ken? Sa Java programming.
Shout out kay John Calcario.
Hoy, dali na mo, guys. Tingog na mo. Ikaw, Ken. Ano sa'yo istorya ni mo, Ken? Sa Java programming.
Shout out kay John Calcario.
Hoy, dali na mo, guys. Tingog na mo. Ikaw, Ken. Ano sa'yo istorya ni mo, Ken? Sa Java programming.
Shout out kay John Calcario.
Hoy, dali na mo, guys. Tingog na mo. Ikaw, Ken. Ano sa'yo istorya ni mo, Ken? Sa Java programming.
Shout out.
Gabanha-banha ka jud ka, Ken. Imo jud gibalik-balik. I don't know. Ngano na banha? Sige na, please. I need your answer. Naka-learn ba mo? Did you learn something today? I cannot assess your learnings good if you will not talk. Yana, if you're still there, please join. Ara, Kyle, do you have any ideas about Java programming, Kyle? How about Pia, Julie? Kisay CJ random. Naguba ang laptop niya. Oy, tingog na yung taon mo, mga palangga. Naunsa naman mo palangga. Shout out kay Arman Louis Bautista. It is used to develop desktop and mobile applications. Yes. So Java is also part. Okay, it's somewhat a um, big help in developing the mobile applications. So actually, we have a program that can really make games. So naa sa Java. Okay, thank you, Kyle, for that answer. How about Ara? How about Louie? Tingog, you're already grade 10. So I like this answer. Oh, si ano. It is used to develop desktop and mobile applications. So thank you, Kyle. Anybody? So, I wish I were Heather. What is that? What do you mean by this, Louis? I can answer. Can.
Say ah 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 ah. Say ba 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 ba. Say cut cut cut. Say duck 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 duck. Say duck duck. Say duck duck. Come on come on. Say.
What do you mean, Ryzen? Sure, it's a song. I say song. What do you mean by Ryzen 5? What do you mean by it's a song, Ara? I don't get it. Mang inasuport. Hala si Ken, minus points, good ka Ken ha? Gatuo siguro kag nalipay ko ano mga chat. You should participate well. Dili maggara-gara. Oh, I think Ryzen is part of Huawei. That is the processor that they're using for Huawei. Huawei? Yeah, Huawei. Huh? Wow. Okay. According to Julie, Java is one of the most popular programming languages since it runs on 3 billion devices worldwide. Exactly correct. Okay? Ah, okay. I get it. So I wish I was Heather. It's a song. Ah, thank you for that, Ara. Hinay net sa silingan, sure. Ngano mangawat mga net sa silingan. According to Ara, Java helps in code reusability. That's one of the advantages. Kisa man ni anime wibi. Hala, tulo ra gyud ani answer og tarong ha si Kyle. Si Julie. Duha pa di ay. Asa naman si Niana? Si Louie, si Matthew. Asa naman mo Matthew? Hoy, ginoo ko. So, for our next lesson, guys, next week, okay? For next week, we will download the Intellij. So, the instruction can be found in your book also on page 10 to 14, 10 to 14. So, 10 to 14, so instructions on how to download the Java or the Intellij. So make sure by next week you have it in your computer already para dire-diretso na ta mo start sa atong lesson. Okay? Ato na siyang i-access by next week. So I hope ito.
Duck, duck. Duck, duck. Say duck, duck.
Tabang mo, muundang na ko eskwela, sir. Ayaw in town undang. Ayaw in town, Ken. Ako, Ken, kinadaghanan, di ko problema, Ken. Pero wa ko kapapektana, naningkamot gyapon ko para mo survive sa life. Inga na ang importante. We have to find ways ba in how to survive. Labi na ko kay parent na ko, so I have a lot of problems also, but then I still need to work very hard, go to school just to have our class. Daghan sa manggod na Ken. Oh. Kira na Ken, oy. Di na problema. Daghan tag makit-an nga solusyon ana nga problema. Dili mo give up dali kay mo na makakuha na to if mo give up tag dali. Aw. Zone assignments. It's natural but never kanang kuan guys. So we were told no sa mong head na activities will be reduced. So one na lang, one activity or two sa kada kana everyday ninyo. Kana everyday class ninyo mo ay two Murag 2 ang kina-maximum na activities. And then, katong twice a week or thrice a week, pwede po 2 la, pero depende na yun na 1 or 2. So, by next week, dili na mo unsa man, dili na bugat para ninyo. Kay, it's already reduced man. Minimize naman ang kanang paghatag og assignments. Questions, guys? Okay, ma'am. Online class. Oo, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Any questions? Na si ma'am principal. Na si ma'am principal ni bisita. So moto ko ha Ken and the rest of you guys. So dili ta mo give up dali. Kay ingana man gid na in life, in reality gyud, we have to face a lot of trials. But the moment we pass, kanang naka-survive ta na, it's a good or best na kay achievement. So fight lang, fight. Oh, sige, shout out. Shout out to Louie. So if you have no more questions, guys, so let's end up na. And then please find ways to have this book, okay, Java programming book, and then install the Intellij in your computer. It's really needed for our Java programming class. Okay? Isa mapa-shout out. Shout out. Shout out.
yummy. Wow. Kugi ana, dungtong naman sila trabaho. Tanaw na sila tanan.
This is new. I look at you. When the night, da, da, da,
International Airport, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Manila. On behalf of your flight deck crew, headed by Captain Falyar and First Officer Infredo, and the rest of the team, we thank you for choosing Cebu Pacific Air, your airline of choice. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at the Aquino International Airport, Cebu Pacific, and welcome to Sea Manila. On behalf of our fans at Go and Event as well, the first visitor from the town, and the rest of our team, we thank you for choosing. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at the Aquino International Airport, Cebu Pacific, and welcome to Sea Manila. On behalf of our fans at Go and Event as well, the first visitor, we thank you for choosing Cebu Pacific.
Namakantas ako. I look at you. Mm. Inspiration. Everybody needs a song, a beautiful melody. When the nights are long, guarantee that this life is easy and my world is falling apart when there's no light to break up the dark. That's why I look at you. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore every day, I look at you. Yes, I see the truth. You love me for who I am, like the stars hold the moon, where they belong. And I know I'm not alone. World is falling apart when there's no light to break up the dark that I look at you. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I look at you. You're just like a dream to me, just like kaleidoscope colors that covers me. Every breath that I breathe, you're beautiful. Yeah, yeah. Waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore. That's when I look at you. I look at you. That's a dream. Everybody needs inspiration. Everybody needs a song, a beautiful melody. When the night's so long, 'cause there's no guarantee that this life is easy. And world is falling apart when there's no love to break up the dark that I look at you when the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore. That's when I look at you. Look at you. I see the truth. You love me for who I am. Like the stars on the moon. Right there where they belong. And I know I'm not alone. Our world is falling apart when there's no light to break up the dark. That's when I look at you. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore. That's when I look at you. You appear just like a dream to me, just like a kaleidoscope of colors that covers me. Only need every breath that I breathe. Don't you know you're beautiful?